Next, if you have an improper rational expression of the form f of x by g of x. So let us say that this is an improper rational expression. So every improper rational expression can be expressed as a sum of a polynomial plus a proper rational expression. So every improper rational expression can be expressed as a polynomial plus a proper rational expression, and this can be obtained by general division. So what I'm trying to say is, for example, so we have a improper rational expression, for example, x square minus 2x plus 3 by x plus 5. So this is, as you can see, an improper rational expression because the degree of numerator is 2, the degree of denominator is 1. So this improper rational expression can be expressed as, so x square minus 2x plus 3 by x plus 5. What is the meaning of this? So let us try to divide x square minus 2x plus 3 by x plus 5. So x plus 5 into x square plus 5x minus minus. So minus 7x plus 3. So minus 7s are minus 7x minus 35 plus plus minus 7x gets cancelled. 3 plus 35 is 38. So once you divide this with x plus 5, you got x minus 7 as the quotient and 38 as the remainder. Now can I say that x square minus 2x plus 3, which is the dividend, and the numerator is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. So x plus 5 times x minus 7 plus 38. You can do this. Now what is x square minus 2x plus 3 by x plus 5? So if I divide both sides by x plus 5, and if you separate these two, you get x minus 7 plus 38 by x plus 5. So this is the polynomial about which I am talking about. So you can express this as a sum of a polynomial and a proper fraction. This is a proper rational expression because the degree of numerator is 0, the degree of denominator is 1. So in this way, whenever you have an improper rational fraction, you can divide the numerator with the denominator. So you get some quotient, and the numerator can be written as some quotient times the denominator plus some remainder where the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So by denominator gives you q of x plus r of x by denominator. Q of x is the quotient, r of x is the remainder polynomial which is having a degree less than the denominator. Hence r of x by denominator will be a proper rational expression. So every improper rational expression can be expressed as a polynomial plus a rational expression.